In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and perform essential backup tasks in Hostinger's hPanel. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing your business's website, understanding how to handle backups is crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of your website. So, let's get started with our guide to efficiently manage backups with Hostinger. To begin, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the Hostinger homepage. You'll want to log in with your credentials to access the hPanel. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account's main interface. From there, your next move is to locate and click on the Websites tab. This tab is your gateway to accessing all the websites you are currently managing with your Hostinger account. Upon clicking Websites, you'll be directed to a list displaying each site you're managing. Now, the next step requires you to access the dashboard specific to the site you're focusing on. Click on Dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview and control panel for that particular website. Now that you're in your website's dashboard, you need to move over to the Files section. This area is vital because it houses all the files related to your website, acting as the hub for file management. With Files open, look for an option labeled Backups. Backing up your files helps ensure that you have copies of your data stored safely, ready to be restored if need be. Click on this Backups icon to access your backup management tools. Once you're in the Backups section, you have two main types of backup options: manual and automated. We'll start with manual backups. Click on Manual Backups. This feature allows you to create a backup on the spot. It's a great way to save a snapshot of your site before making significant changes or updates. Next, let's check out the Automated Backups feature. Clicking on this option shows you the backups that Hostinger automatically generates at regular intervals. These backups are lifesavers when you need to recover your site to a specific date without any hassle. To round out the process, let's look at how to restore these backups. Click on Restore and Download. This option allows you to restore your site to a previous version, and you can even download the backup files to your local machine for added security. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Restore History section. Clicking here shows a detailed log of all your restoration activities. It's a handy feature to confirm that your restoration efforts were successful or to check if any actions were taken. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing backups using Hostinger's hPanel. With these steps, you can ensure your website data remains secure and easily retrievable, providing peace of mind knowing that your site is safeguarded. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.